everyone. So we will discuss today 5 most important interview questions which are helpful to you in every stage of interview preparation. If you are a software developer or a software engineer, or you are working in any software domain, then these questions must lies in each and every category, for each and every section for your interview preparation. So if we talk about these topics, these 5 interview questions, it is very helpful to you in each and every stage for getting a job. If you are preparing for an interview, then these questions must be important to you. So if we discuss about these questions, this question must be lies between the category. Describe the process you have for a programming task from requirement to delivery. If we talk about the process, then what is the process behind each and every programming task? So it will lies into requirement, where software requirement specification must be required. Where these category lies between requirement analysis, requirement gathering, where each and every steps must be required. So you have to answer it very carefully and clearly. If interview is asking about these question, then you have to go with the flow of this question. That means you have to describe about the process of programming task requirement to delivery. If you are getting a project, if we running a project, if we want to perform on a project, then you have to manage the process of all the requirement to delivery from getting the project. So these must be important to you. So if interview is asking about the whole concept of the process of software development lifecycle, then you have to tell about all the SDLC approach. So this question is very important to you. You must have to prepare about this question. Please find the more about this question, because this question lies in each of the category of the question, in each of the category of software development and software engineering. If you are preparing, then this question must be asked in every stage of examination of your interview for preparation for. So if we talk about the second question, what programming language do you use? Which 3 do you prefer or are the most familiar with? If we talk about the 3 programming language you have to select, then 3 programming language must be lies in the category of C, C++, Java. So these 3 programming languages very important and necessary to you. You can add C# or Python as well. So these languages are most common and most familiar with. If you are preparing for any interview questions and for any exams, then you have to go with the flow of these languages. So if in interview you are asking, if interviewer is asking about the languages you prefer, then you have to select these languages, and you have to tell all the category of programming language very clearly. If interviewer is asking about you about all the programming language, then you have to know about the basic programming structure, where OOPS concept lies in each of the programming language excepting C. So if we talk about the OOPS concept and all the programming language concept, then you have to require and brief knowledge about this, and you have to give your answer correctly and right, preferred. So if we talk about the third question, how do you implement your error handling? This question is very important to you. If we talk about the error handling concept, then you have to give your answer in very much it will be say warm development process. So if we ask about the error handling concept, then you have to give your answer in warm development process. So all the question about the error handling, you must have to discuss with the errors with the exception and try catch blocks. If interviewer is asking about these error handling concept, then you have to give your answer in catching exception, and talk about try catch block. So this question is very important and necessary to you if you are preparing for an examination. This will lies in each and every category of software engineering. So if all the programming students are very much important question is here, and so all the programmer must need to know about this error handling concept. So if we talk about what is the next question, what is the software development life cycle, what are the differences between them? So you have to talk about the software development life cycle, which is SDLC. So this must be lies in SDLC module, where each concept of software requirement and gathering must be required. So what are the differences between them? You have to talk about the software development life cycle, where differences between all the development life cycle processes is necessary and required to tell. If interviewer asking direct questions on SDLC, then you have to give the direct answers. Like if interviewer is asking about the specifically for waterfall model, then you have to go with the tell about the waterfall model. If interviewer is asking about the prototype model, then you have to give answer with the prototype model. So this question is very much important for each and every category and each and every category of examination for programming. If we discuss about the next question, what has your experience been like as a part of an agile software development process? If we talk about the agile software development process, then it is an iterative development process. That means this development process is very much required, where each of the category of programmers or a team required to build software in package. So this agile development process is very much necessary for you. You have to know about this question too. So all these questions are very much important. Note down these questions, and this question will lies in each and every category for your interview, for any programming language questions, and for any examination. If you are preparing for, these questions will lies in every examination. So kindly go with these questions and subscribe my channel, like my videos, and do comment on my videos. I will definitely reply on my comment and talk about the next questions in my next videos. Till then, thank you.